Are we living in a world where everyone shares the same false memories? Have you ever had a vivid memory of an event that you were sure happened, but when you try to share it with others, they look at you like you're crazy? If so, you may be experiencing the Mandela Effect. This strange phenomenon has led some to believe that we are living in alternate realities. So what is the Mandela Effect, and is there any truth to these alternate reality theories? Welcome back, everyone. Here today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the Mandela Effect, a phenomenon that challenges our understanding of collective memory and reality itself. So without further ado, let's jump into the first example. Did you know that according to a recent survey, more than half of Americans believe that Nelson Mandela died in prison in the late 1980s? However, Mandela actually lived until 2013. This widespread misremembering of Mandela's death is a perfect example of the Mandela Effect. But what about the people who claim to remember a movie called Shazam, starring a young black actor as an all-knowing genie? Despite there being no record of such a film ever being made, many people insist that they saw it as children. This phenomenon can be explained by the shift in memories across different universes in the multiverse. Each shift results in a new universe with slightly different memories and experiences. As a result, some people may remember Mandela's death in the 1980s, while others remember him dying in 2013. Similarly, some may remember a movie called Shazam, while others don't. Delving deeper into quantum physics can help us understand the science behind the Mandela Effect. According to quantum theory, our memories exist in a superposition of states until we observe them. In other words, our memories are not fixed until we recall them. This means that it is possible for memories to shift and change, creating alternate realities where people remember things differently. Our next example of the Mandela Effect is the misremembering of the Monopoly Man's appearance. Many people insist that he always wore a monocle, even though he never did. This could be due to a collective misinterpretation of his top hat and cane, which some may have perceived as a monocle. Similarly, the famous line from Snow White, "Mirror, mirror on the wall," is actually a misquote. The correct line is "Magic mirror on the wall." However, the misquote has become so widespread that many people now believe it to be the original line. Another interesting example is the confusion surrounding the timeline of the Ford Mustang's debut. Many people believe that the Mustang was introduced in the early 1970s, when in reality it was first released in 1964. This misremembering could be due to the car's enduring popularity and its continued presence in popular culture over the years. These are just a few of the many examples of the Mandela Effect that have been documented. It's important to note that the Mandela Effect has also been attributed to psychological factors such as the influence of suggestion and the power of the groupthink phenomenon. So, what do you think? Do you experience the Mandela Effect? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating content. Thanks for watching. Until next time.